Just a quick video here. I don't know if you can hear that. That's my car. First time in a while I've ever had to have my cars up on the ramp. And basically what has happened is there is a gap between my muffler and I guess my catalytic converter. So I'll try and show you that on the next video. Just a quick observation here. Here's the oil filter, and you'll notice that the cover that used to be for the pan has been destroyed, probably one of the winters, but remember the car is like 11 years old here. And here is the issue right here. There seems to be a gap, and you can hear that. That's one of the noises I hear in my car all the time. These bolts are fused, but there's a gap here on the muffler and the catalytic converter. So I'm going to get this to my mechanic, but for the time being, I'm just going to use some clips to keep it together. Okay, for now, temporary fix, not aluminum, but I guess the pipe tape that you use to help keep your pipes from falling apart. Just that and a couple clamps that I'm going to use like I said. For now, I'm going to use a couple of clamps to try and keep things together till I can get it to the mechanic, and some tape. This is the type of tape that you would use around your pipes in your house if you needed something. It's like an aluminum type of tape. That's it. Okay, and for now, the little trick that I did with the tape and the clamps seems to have worked. Yep, step on the gas. I don't sound like a hot rod anymore. So that'll be the trick for now until I can get to my mechanic. Okay.